Welcome to QABot.com. In this video, we will instruct you to use our TikTok Uploader Pro to upload Bang TikTok videos automatically with titles, text, and songs as you want. To buy this TikTok Uploader Pro software, you need to visit QABot.com. Then you will see the software in the interface, or you can click on software here, select TikTok. Then click on TikTok Uploader Pro. You can see the different packages. Select the one that you want to buy. For example, I select 1 year. Then click Add to Cart. After that, you click on your card. Then click Checkout here to make payment. After downloading the software, you right-click on TikTok Uploader Pro WinRAR file here. Then select Extract here. You will receive TikTok Uploader Pro folder. Open this folder. Then double click on this file, TikTok Uploader Pro, to install the software. This is the interface of our software. First, you need to click on General Settings to set up these sections. With the license key section, you need to back to your license table in your QABot account. This is the key, and click copy here. Click OK. Then paste the copy license into license key section. Next, after session, you put the total number of videos that you want the software to upload to TikTok. For example, you put 1000 here. The software will automatically stop after uploading 1000 videos to TikTok successfully. Next, at track section, you put the number of videos that you want the software to upload to TikTok simultaneously. For example, you put 3 here. The software will open 3 windows, launching 3 TikTok accounts, and upload 3 videos at the same time. The number of tracks you can run depends on your PC configuration. The stronger your computer is, the more tracks you can run. Next, at folder cookie section, you need to create a new folder named Cookies. Then open this folder, copy the path here to paste it into the folder cookie section. At the first time you run this software, it will save the cookies and profiles of TikTok accounts in this imported cookies folder. Therefore, in the next run, the bot can load these cookies to run without logging into TikTok accounts again. Next, proxy start section. There are 3 options for you to choose here. In case you select from data, you need to import proxy with TikTok accounts. We will instruct you later at account section. Next, if you select from file, you need to set up the file proxy session too. At this session, you select Lines from file. Then you create a new text file to save proxies. For example, these are my proxies. Each proxy will be entered on one line. Then the format of proxy here is IP:/port. You can add proxy username and proxy password here, :proxy username, :proxy password if any. Then save this file. Then at file proxy session, you click on this icon. Double-click on the Create the text file proxy. In case you do not want to use proxy, you can select No at IP options section. The software will use the IP connected to your PC. If you log into many TikTok accounts with one IP only, these accounts can be banned. Therefore, you should buy proxies. You can visit proxyjewel.com to run the best proxy to run this bot. Next, TikTok Capture API session. You need to create an account at capture.guru site. top of your account, then take your key here, copy this, paste it into this session. The software will decode captcha automatically. Next, at sleep session, you enter the range of time in millisecond unit that you want the software to rest after completing each thread. For instance, you put 30,000 to 60,000 into minimum value and maximum value like this. The software will rest for 30 seconds to 1 minute after finishing each thread. Next, you click on Accounts and Actions. To import TikTok accounts, you click on Data here. Then you will see the Database Manager dialog box. You can import TikTok accounts in two ways. The first way is import account manually. To do this, you click on this icon. Then select Add Group. You type the group name here. Then click OK to create the group. Then you click on this Create that group. Click on this icon, select Add Group. Then you enter the account's information into these sections. First is the email that you used to register TikTok accounts. Next is the username of TikTok accounts. Next is the password of TikTok account. Then you click OK. In case you select from Data a proxy struct session, you need to import the proxy's parameters into this session. First is proxy, that means the IP. Then the port. Next is proxy username, if any. And proxy password. Then you click OK. You can see the information had been imported. Similarly, you can import many other accounts here. Another way to import TikTok accounts is creating a text file to save TikTok account's information. Then you enter the corresponding parameters here into the text file. First is the email address that you use to register the TikTok account. Then comma, you use a comma to separate the parameters here. After the comma is the username of TikTok account. Then comma, the password of TikTok account. In case you select from Data at IP option, you can add the proxy information after this information. For example, I turn to another line for the email, then comma, the username, comma, the password, comma, the IP, then comma port, comma proxy username if any. Comma the proxy password. Similarly, you can enter thousands of accounts here. You need to import each account on one line. Then you save this file. You click on Convert here. Select Import CSV. Then click on this icon. Select Create the text file of TikTok accounts. You can see the account's parameters had been imported here. The group name here is CSV. You can click on this icon to change the name. Change to the name as you want, like Tutorial 2. Then click OK. After that, you close the dialog box. At Account section, you choose the group of account that you want to use. For example, I select this group. You can select all group or select more than one group here. Next, at video session, you need to create a new folder to save the videos that you want the software to upload to TikToks. For example, these are the videos that I want to upload. Then at video session, you click on this icon. Select the created folder of video. Next, at title session, you need to create a new text file to save the titles that you want the software to upload with videos. You put each title on one line, then the software supports the swing text format too. For example, these are the titles that I want to upload. Save this file. Then at title session, you click on this icon, select the created text file of title. Next, at text section, you need to create a new text file to save text that you want to use. You put each tag on one line. For example, these are the tags that I want to use. Then save this file. At text section, you click on this icon, select the created text file of text. Next, at add song session, in case you want to add songs, select yes here at add song session. And at song session, you need to create a new text file to save the name of songs that you want to add. The software will find song name on TikTok and add song while uploading TikTok videos. You put 8 songs on one line. For example, these are the songs that I want to add. Then click save. Then save this file. At song session, you click on this icon. Select the created text file of songs. Finally, you click OK. You can click on Show Browser to see how the software uploads videos to TikTok with songs.